What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So I'm at my grandfather's. I figured I'd show you the tomatoes that I planted. They're actually doing very well with the chicken wire wrapped around them. So I'll hop in and I'll show you what's going on. So here is the tomatoes. But something's still getting in there or reaching over the top, looks like. But this has done an excellent job at protecting the tomatoes. The other day, after I planted the tomatoes, I actually planted them. These are the sweet red Marciano peppers, and then green bell pepper. You can see. So this one is the Ponderosa. This tomato is the Rutgers, and you can see there was some, pretty much anything that kind of pokes through, the critters want to eat on. And then this one here, I believe, is the Handsome. I'm going to take the chicken wire off real quick and give this guy a nice trimming. So I'm removing out any suckers. Okay, so I'm happy I got a little better airflow for the tomato. My grandfather made a little bird feeder and a little bird house. Well, thanks for coming along and checking out the garden with me. I'm going to go ahead and put that chicken wire cage back around so the deer and other critters can't get to the rest of the tomatoes. Have a nice day. There's an airplane. Another one. Take it off real quick. Can you tell my grandfather lives near an airport?